How to draw on a Word document. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Make sure you have subscribed to MS Word. Then you'll find Draw option on top beside Insert and Design. Click on Draw. You'll find all these options. Click on Draw with Touch and select your pen and draw. You can also change color of your pen or simply erase it with eraser. And that's how you draw on a Word document easily by using all these options of different style of pens. And thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.